Hello, my name is Tayson from casaGeo, the data science and location intelligence company. In this video I show you how to install casaGeoCoder for Alteryx. The first step is to go to our website, click on Software, then Download and select the casaGeoCoder installer zip file. The installation takes place in 3 steps. 1. Unpack the zip file. 2. Start Alteryx Designer as administrator. 3. Open the Install casaGeoCoder workflow and let it run. Now a new window opens with the casaGeo activation workflow, and you can activate the test license by simply running the casaGeoCoder activation workflow. Unfortunately, this does not work for me because my test license has already expired. Alternatively, you can activate your license directly with a license key by entering the key in the license key field and running the workflow. Finally, we check whether casaGeoCoder has been installed correctly. To do this, we close Alteryx and start it again. Now look for the new tab for casaGeoCoder. You can set a pin with the right mouse button and the tab slides to the far left. The examples can also be called up. And with the license report we can check how long our license is valid and how many transactions we still have. By the way, we have created the installation routine exclusively with Alteryx. Thank you for staying with us until the end.